Hi friends, welcome to Max Me Education. I am your Manoj sir. Today our topic real numbers exercise 1.4 for 10th class state syllabus. This is the one of the important topic and exactly one long question from every annual exam. Okay? So first you have to observe here. So first question, show that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. So in this method, in this exercise, how we have to solve the problems? Whatever is given is whatever you want to prove. That's we are go for the another method, contradiction method. We go back. So what is given? 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. So what we are taking means 1 by 2 is a rational number. So what we have to take, 1 by 2 is a rational number. Then after some we are getting the wrong statement. We are getting wrong statement for general mathematics rules. So what is the problem here? Our contradiction is the problem. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Or that's why we go back again. So follow the instruction. So first solution. So what we have to prove? To prove 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number or irrational. So I assume, let assume, what I assume? 1 by root 2 is rational. 1 by 2 is an rational number. 1 by 2 is rational number. What is the form of rational numbers? Rational numbers is the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to integer and q is not equal to 0. This is a general form of rational numbers. So 1 by root 2, clear. 1 by root 2 is equal to p by q because it is some rational number. It is a form of p by q. So 1 by root 2 is equal to p by q. Now I am writing the reciprocal of given fraction, that is equal to root 2 by 1 is equal to q by p. Just numerator denominator change, reciprocals. Therefore q by p is a rational number. Q by p is a rational. Because q and p both are integers. Therefore q by p is some rational number. Therefore root 2 is also rational number. Root 2 also rational number. But there is a contradiction. We know the mathematics rules clearly. Root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. Exactly, root 2 is a irrational. So, but what is the contradiction here? We are getting a contradiction. We are getting wrong message. From where? Our assumption. So, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, we get a contradiction. We get a wrong message. Therefore, clearly write our assumption. Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. So, this exercise totally depends upon contradiction only. So, contradiction only we are taking. Whatever he asked, we go opposite way. Then we getting some mathematics rule wrong. Again we come back. Okay? Copy it. Next, again one problem. Show that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Solution. Let assume root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Is a rational number. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is in the form of p by q. Okay, that means P comma Q belongs to integer and Q is not equal to 0. Okay? Right. Now, root 3 is equal to P by Q minus 5 root, because plus root 5 bring this side getting minus root 5. Now take square on both sides. Take square on both sides. Take square both sides. Therefore, root 3 whole square is equal to P by Q minus 5 whole square. Square root get cancelled. Now observe. 3 is equal to A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. P by Q whole square. A square. A minus B. A square plus B square plus B square minus 2A. A means P by Q. B means under root of 5. Okay? Right. 3 is equal to P square by Q square. Square root get cancelled. 5 minus 2 into P by Q under root of 5. Okay? This is 2P by Q bring this side and plus 3 bring this side. So that is equal to 2P by Q under root of 5 is equal to P square by Q square plus 5 minus 3. That is equal to P square, okay, P square by Q square plus 2, 5 minus plus 2, and that is equal, next, P square plus 2Q square by Q square. Okay? Q into 2, 2Q square, 1, the LCM only. Q square into 1, Q square only. Here, 2P by Q under root of 5. Next. Under root of 5 is equal to P square into 2Q square into 2Q square by Q square into Q by 2P. So P by Q, bring that side, Q by P, that is a reciprocal only. Q, 2Q square means 2Q into Q. 1Q get cancelled. Therefore, under root of 5 is equal to P square plus 2Q square by 2PQ. 2PQ. Okay? This is a integer. Sorry, this is a rational number because P comma Q are integers. P comma Q from integer. Therefore, P square plus 2Q square by 2PQ is a rational number. Therefore, P square plus 2Q square by 2PQ is a rational number. Is rational number. But clearly observe. Therefore, root 5 also rational number. Root 5 also. This is a rational number. Is equal to number also rational number. Therefore, root 5 is also rational number. Is also rational. But this is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. Contradiction to? It is a contradiction. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. So, what is our assumption? This is our assumption. Root 5 plus 3 is a rational number. Clearly have to write. Root 5 plus root 5 is an irrational. Okay? So, all problems in this exercise using this method only. You will get easily long marks. Okay? Therefore, hence proved. Right. Okay? Copy it. Next, again one problem. Show that 6 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Same method. Solution. So what we have to prove? To prove 6 plus root 2 is an irrational. Is an irrational. But take contradiction. So assume. What is our assume? 6 plus root 3 is rational. Is a rational number. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is equal to P by Q. P by Q. Okay? Right. Next. So, bring mine plus 2, bring that side. 6 is equal to P by Q minus root 2. Okay? If you bring minus 2 that side, then you can easily get answer. If you take 6, you will be in trouble in these situations. Already we know addition of subtraction of irrational number is irrational number. Addition and subtraction of any irrational number, that should be irrational. But we know, but mathematically we have to prove. That's why we are using this method only. Okay? Right. Take square on both sides. Take square both sides. So that is equal to 6 square is equal to P by Q minus root 2 whole square. Okay? Right. 36, 6 square is equal to 36. P by Q minus root 2 whole square. P by Q whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Minus 2AB, same. 36 is equal to P square by Q square. 2 get cancelled, 2 only, square root get cancelled, 2 minus 2PQ root 2. So this is bring this side and 36 bring that side. That is equal to 2PQ is Q root 2 is equal to P square Q square plus 2 minus 36. This can write as P square by Q square minus 34 by 1. Then you have to write, what you have to write? P square minus 34 Q square by Q square. What is here? That is equal to, here final letter I am writing here, that is equal to 2P by Q under root of 2 is equal to P square minus 34Q by Q square. So bring this at 2P by Q, bring another right side. Therefore, root 2 is equal to P power 2 minus 34Q square by Q square into Q by 3P. Q get cancelled, not 3P, 2P. Next, under root of 2 is equal to P square minus 34Q square by 2PQ. 2PQ. This is a rational number because P and Q are integers. Therefore, P square minus 34Q square by 2PQ is an rational number. It is an rational. Therefore, root 2 is also rational. But it is a contradiction. It is a contradiction. This is contradiction. Because what is the mathematical formula? General, that the truth is root 2 is a irrational. So, but root 2 is irrational. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? This is our assumption. What is our 6 plus root 3 is a rational. That is our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational, is an irrational number. Irrational number. Hence the fourth. Hence the proof. Proof is over. Proof is complete. What is asked? We asked it is irrational. Finally, we have to prove that is a irrational. So all problems in this method only. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.